Hello, I'm James Barth from Rock Hard 4x4, and I want to talk to you a few minutes about our Rock Hard 4x4 Sport Deck is what we call this. Now, this is a utility shelf that goes in the back of your Bronco. It mounts off the factory roll bar. It works with the hard top. We will be working on a soft top version at some point, but the soft top mounts here, so it doesn't work with the soft top. But we also wanted a version where if somebody takes their top off, they didn't have to remove their shelf, because that's the whole idea. So we will eventually work on that. But this Sport Deck here is 21 by 43 inches. It's 21 inches off the ground to accommodate your coolers. It also doesn't block your electrical outlets and such here on the passenger side of your vehicle in the back. This is available in aluminum and steel. We do use steel brackets coming down to get the strength and support that we need. Now, the steel version weighs 20 pounds total, and your aluminum version weighs 10. All made here in Nebraska in our own facility at Rock Hard 4x4. We sub nothing out. We do it all in-house. It's 100% American made using American materials. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install this Sport Deck. Okay, we're going to locate the left and right plates that go here in the Bronco. You'll notice that if you're going to figure out which side is which, just as if it would sit, it matches the angle and brings it down here. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the 8mm by 1.25 thread bolts here. These are going to go, there's our tapered head. They're going to go right here on the into the factory threads in the roll bar. Okay, go ahead and put the bottom one in also. Now we went ahead and started the bolts on both sides. We've went ahead and left them loose until we get the basket in place. We're going to go ahead and install the driver's side at this point, and then we'll go ahead and install the basket. Now that we've installed both the left and right side bracketry, we're going to go ahead and get the shelf and put it in place. Now we've went ahead and we still have everything loose. As you can see, the shelf will still move a little bit in here. We've went ahead and installed the bolts in the side here with the nuts on the back side and the tapered bolts on each side, left and right, here to hold the bracketry in place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just level the shelf up. We'll go ahead and tighten the bolts using a 1/2 inch or 13mm here on the lower bolts and a 5/32 Allen here on the uppers.